Removing and disassembling crossheads. Welcome to the Bosch Home Homogenizers Academy. In this session, we will show you how the crossheads are removed and disassembled. We begin by loosening the locking screw of the crosshead. Ensure that the locking screw is completely loose before proceeding. Now, loosen the locking screws on both the drive rod and the adapter. These must all be removed before you proceed with removing the crosshead ball. Next, we loosen the adjusting nut. This may require some force. Unscrew the crosshead ball from the drive rod. It may be quite stuck. Therefore, ensure that appropriate sturdy tools are used. Once the crosshead ball has been broken loose, it can be unscrewed by hand. It may be necessary to remove the drive rod completely to take the crosshead entirely out of the bore. Now also check the bore for wear or damage. Now unscrew the adjusting nut completely from the crosshead and then remove the crosshead ball, the bearing and the adjusting nut from the crosshead. Remove the other side of the bearing and carefully inspect the crosshead ball. Assess whether it is still in good condition or if replacement is necessary. If the crosshead ball needs to be replaced, lubricate the new bearings well with oil. This ensures proper lubrication during reinstallation and machine startup. Now place the crosshead, two bearings and the adjusting nut back into their positions. Ensure that everything is properly aligned and correctly positioned. Place the crosshead ball back into the crosshead. Ensure that the crosshead retainer bearing is properly seated in the crosshead. This is crucial for the processing of the components. Then, screw the adjusting nut into the crosshead, but do not fully adjust it yet. This will be tightened later during the final assembly. If the drive shaft was removed, place it back into its original position. Ensure that everything is correctly aligned. Now screw the crosshead ball back into the drive rod and tighten it securely. Ensure that the crosshead ball is firmly in place for safe operation of the machine. Now also install the locking screws without grease. Place the locking screws back onto the drive rod and tighten them securely to ensure the parts remain safe. Turn the crosshead all the way forward and ensure that everything moves smoothly. Now replace the adapter's locking screws and tighten them firmly. Thank you for following this training. By carefully following these steps, you ensure that the crosshead is correctly assembled and functions optimally.